All right, looks like we're about to get started. Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go!
6 robots on the field. 5 of them are moving. On the Blue Lions, we have Team 5402, Reckless Robotics. They're getting prepared to shoot their pre-loaded fuel up into the Blue Lions hub. Over on the Red Alliance, we're seeing a lot of action over from the corner of the field by 5010. 1024 and the autonomous period was also successfully able to climb L1. That gave the Red Alliance a 15-point advantage going into the teleoperated period. That transition period is over. The Blue Alliance is now able to score into their hub. 5402 picking up some of those fuel from over by the depot, making their way over to line up and shoot into the Blue Alliance hub. Over on the Red Alliance, we have 5010. We've seen shuttling those fuel from the neutral zone over to the Red Alliance. We're seeing shorter robots this year, so those robots are able to fit underneath the trench. That allows 5010 and their alliance partners to all move quickly over to the Red Alliance side. 1024 already had lots of fuel in their robot. They're able to rapidly fire those out into the hub, and they're joined by their alliance partners. There's a little bit of defense happening in the middle of the field with 9530 trying to prevent the Blue Alliance from collecting fuel over on their side of the field. It is now the Blue Alliance turn, and we're going to see 9530 trying to knock 8103 off their path from lining up precisely to shoot in the Blue Alliance hub. Again, those yellow spheres, those are fuel, each worth 1 point for the Alliance. Right now we have just over 1 minute left of the match. Red has 79 points, blue with 70. Very small gap that can be closed at any moment. The Red Alliance has the last shift of the game before in-game, and we're going to see 1024 lining up right next to that hub to score those fuel for the Red Alliance. The Blue Alliance is preparing for that end-game period. That's the last 30 seconds where both of those hubs will be activated, and both teams are able to earn points from throwing the balls into their hub. We've now entered in-game. We're seeing lots of fuel flying through the air. 5010 picking some up from their earlier shuttled fuel in their collection by the tower. Over on the Blue Alliance, we're seeing 9530 head back from playing defense over to the Red Alliance, trying to push some of those fuel their way. We have 8 seconds left in the match. Red with 122, blue with 86. 3, 2, 1. Congratulations to the Red Alliance. They won with a score of 127, the Blues 87, and just a 40-point gap. They scored 83 fuel in teleop and 29 in auto, really putting them ahead. They also got that 100 fuel.